Hi, my name is Jared Pros, and this is the 2-minute tool review of the Makita 305mm drop saw. The code is LS1219L. So let's start off with some good stuff. It's got a mean cut capacity, can get to 60 degrees both ways, which is really good, really handy. You got these big fences, but I usually use them without it. You've got this clamp as well, which goes in here, which comes in handy. You got these little base extenders, handy too. It's great. It's super powerful, super accurate. Oh yeah, you get the 45 degrees. Oh, it actually goes to 48 degrees. You pull that and then you get that extra 3. If you want to do a back cut, you get that both ways. I like it how the adjustment's on here at the front. It means that in a small space like this one, it keeps it nicely compact in the workshop, so it slides like that. Comes with a dust bag, but it's got a really good extraction system that kind of plugs into there if you connect that up to a vacuum. That's really great. The laser is pretty good. The only thing that I don't like about the laser is it only lines up to the left side of the cut, whereas you've got some other like the DeWalt or the Festool that have 2 lasers, or the DeWalt Shadow line, which is fantastic. Epic saw, love it. The main bad thing is it's just really heavy. It's really heavy. And it's bulky, so and the handles, so these handles here you can't reach, you have to kind of pull them out, and then you got the handles. You can't really carry it like that, and when you lock it down, this handle here, the handles are actually unbalanced, which is really awkward. So this is basically 30 kilograms, which is about 5 kg heavier than the DeWalt one, which is like 25. And at that weight, it just the weight actually really puts you off. So you might have it in your truck and you're like, I want to go make a cut. You're like, oh, can I be bothered lugging this thing out and up the stairs or wherever it needs to go? So overall, the saw is epic saw. It's my favorite saw. I think it's best suited in a workshop where you don't need to move it. It's a bit heavy. Thank you for watching my 2-minute tool review. Let us know if you want to see more.